The truth is there is a lot of bad information when it comes to real estate investing and how to protect your assets. Whether it's Joe Lucky, the keyboard warrior from an internet forum, or your CPA, or in the worst case scenario, a general practitioner that thinks he has a clue about what it means to be a real estate investor, if they tell you that all you need is insurance, they are wrong. Insurance protects you from different types of claims than an LLC does. Let's take, for example, a case that I had, a client. It wasn't a slip and fall on her front porch. It wasn't that somebody had a simple case of negligence in the management of the property. Well, those would be things that insurance would cover. In her case is that she remodeled a house and she replaced the plumbing underneath the house. The buyers asked her in an email, "What plumbing underneath the house did you replace?" And her response was, "All of the plumbing in the house has been replaced." Come to find out 3 months later, after the sale, that there was a leak in the plumbing, resulting in tens of thousands of dollars to damage because the buyers at that point were out of town. Well, what do you think happened? Well, a lawsuit happened because the buyers were saying that your email was intentionally fraudulent when you told us that all of the plumbing in the house had been replaced. This isn't a case of a seller who was intentionally misleading a buyer. This is a case that happens with almost all lawsuits. It's a misunderstanding. You don't have to be a bad person to get sued. All you have to have is a misunderstanding. Luckily for my client, she had a proper asset protection strategy in place with a series LLC that allowed us to negotiate a very advantageous resolution to the case. In fact, that particular case, we were able to get completely dropped. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney specializing in real estate company structures. I protect my clients and make them judgment-proof, and I'd like to help you.
If you thought this content was good, you have to go see the Bigger Pockets podcast that I did. It was the top 10 things every real estate investor has to know about asset protection, and you can go listen to it right here.